What's up guys, it's your Jamaican Beauty here, and today I'll be showing you how to crochet. Let's get started. So guys, I'm just grabbing my crochet needle, which will get the job done for us today. And the hair that we'll be using is this here right here. I totally forgot the name. Some kind of twist. I forgot the name completely. So guys, we're just pushing the crochet needle underneath the braided, underneath the cornrows. So we're pushing the crochet needle underneath the cornrows, attaching the hair onto the hook. Then we'll be closing the latch, and then we'll be pulling the hair through. After that, we'll be putting the hair through the hoop, twisting it a couple times. The twisting depends on how long or short you want the hair to be, guys. And then we'll be just tightening the hair onto the cornrow. And that's our first crochet. Yay! So again guys, pushing the crochet needle, you can put it underneath the hair or just a little bit through the cornrow, attaching it to the hook, closing the latch, and getting the hair through the hoop, and then twisting it a couple times, and then we tighten. There we go, our second crochet. So I've been doing this process throughout the videos. Hope you will catch on quickly. So guys, work with smaller cornrows so that this hair will fit perfectly and blend in more. This is just for the tutorial, so I did my braids this big. So because this hair has two tones and the tone closest to the root is dark, it should blend in perfectly, guys. You just need to pull this hair out as much as possible so that it doesn't have a scanty look and it looks full. close the parting right there because you do not want the parting to go all the way to the back. I usually just insert a crochet in the middle, so I try to get ears from both sides of the parting and insert a crochet right there. So at this level, all we need to do, guys, is just insert crochet hairs wherever it looks scanty so that it will give us a fuller look. Guys, normally I would start crocheting from the back, but because this is a tutorial, I had to start from the front. As you can see, guys, the top of my hair still needs a bit more crocheted hairs to fill it out, so I'll be adding those hairs off camera to get it a bit fuller. So guys, it's still not as full as I wanted it to be, but I'll finish it up off camera, but it's not looking bad. I do hope that you learned how to crochet today and that you'll start practicing